Motivate customers to buy more is now leveled up with goals combination of order and shipping discounts in cart. The method we used in this function of upsell is that we encourage buyers to increase their needs by offering multiple tiers of discounts in cart for them. With this new feature of free shipping goal, we allow the cart progressive bar to combine multiple discounts from both order and shipping discount in one goal bar. Together with the recommended products add-on, you can upsell directly in cart page. Once a goal is met, customers will see the progressive bar moving. For free shipping goal, customers will see discount in checkout, but for the order goal, they can directly see the discount applying in cart subtotal. Let's add a few more items to claim 50% shipping discount, then we will go to checkout. In checkout, we can see from here that 50% of shipping discount is applied automatically, with the 10% of order discount included. So that's how you can motivate your customers to buy more, using discounts combination. Boost your online sales today with Qikify upsell and cross-sell.